And welcome along to the villa for today's fantastic event. It's Santa's Toy Factory, and today's event all organised by Dubai Community Management.
Thank you to the Dubai Community Management that has organized this Christmas party for the residents here in the villa, and we always love to attend these events because the kids have a lot of fun and it's a lovely moment to get in touch with all the community members.
Thank you, Dubai Community Management, for organizing this event. We enjoy a lot, and Happy New Year, Merry Christmas to everyone.
Merry Christmas!